So I don't know what to expect with this thing, but what I can tell you is it's extremely heavy. Let's do this! Oh, today's an exciting day. We've got the Arrma Nero Big Rock to look at. Let's take a look at this thing. And look at the box! They really market these things well. I mean, look at the features on it. CVDs, you've got 6 drive shafts there, ready to run. Look at the differentials. They just look so meaty. Brushless system in there. So it looks like the Arrma Nero, the Nero Big Rock and the Phazon are all built on the same platform and have the locking diff brain. And out it comes. So you don't realise how big the Arrma Nero Big Rock actually is until you pull this thing out of the box. It is a rather large monster truck and it's classed as an 8th scale. Let's have a quick look under the body. I'm very excited about this. Look at the shocks on this thing! Just look at how that suspension works. So clever. The ESC is huge, it's sort of central. You've got the 2 massive XT90 plugs there. Wow, and the rear shocks as well. I'm loving those drive shafts to the wheels. Wow, this is incredible. Look at the plastics, the build quality on this thing. This does not look cheap. Some serious squidge in those tyres. I'm going to have to put some Gorilla tape on the rims just to stop the water from going into the foams. And you see the motor pole cables going down to the brushless motor underneath. So just looking at the bottom of this truck, I'm really in love with it. It's amazing! I mean, they've even left us this little note here to say, look guys, this truck takes a lot of power, and because of that, you're going to need 2 batteries, 35C discharge, 5,000 milliamps, 2 2Ss or 2 3S batteries. Let's take a look at these battery compartments. Wow, there's loads of room in there. So I've got a 5,000 milliamp hour 3-cell LiPo here. That quite easily fits in there with a little foam spacer as well. The cable's actually tucked through this hole. And it'll also accommodate a 6,000 milliamp hour. So we've got the 2 5,000 milliamp hour batteries in this thing now. So there's a size comparison between the Arrma Granite 4x4 and the Arrma Nero Big Rock. There is a considerable amount of difference there from the 10th scale to the 1/8 scale monster trucks. And there is the Arrma Senton. They don't look too different there, but I can tell you there is definitely a size difference. Incredible machine. Truly incredible. So looking at the radio transmitter, this is really neat. It's very similar to the others, 2.4 GHz, it has some extra bells and whistles. On the top here you've got 4 diff lockout settings. Number 1 is all diffs unlocked. Number 2 is center diff locked. Number 3 is center and rear diffs are locked. And number 4, all diffs locked. Now these have different purposes. 1 is for blasting, 2 is for wheeling, 3 is for drifting, and 4 is for climbing. Let's switch it on and have a go with this thing. And let's switch it on. First ever drive with the Arrma Big Rock. It is unbelievably quick. Drift mode. Thanks so much for watching this unboxing video of the Arrma Nero Big Rock, guys. Stay tuned for the running video out in the dirt with this thing. Let's go and have some fun. Take care. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you next time.